How to schedule a post on your Facebook personal profile. Here's how. Go to Facebook, click on what's on your mind, add a photo, a text, or anything you want. Meron akong bagong video guys sa YouTube. Mamaya pa tong 1 p.m. kasi in-schedule ko din siya. So dito na-discover ko sa Facebook, meron din palang schedule post. And click on next. Dito sa post settings, makikita niyo yung scheduling options. Click on that. Then schedule for later. Since mamaya kung 1 p.m. yun in-schedule sa YouTube, so mamaya ko rin 1 p.m. siya. Click on OK, August 23. Then 1 p.m. ko siya. Ayan, click on PM, click on OK. Then go back. Ayan na siya guys sa scheduling options natin. Meron ng August 23, 1 p.m. Click on post. Ayan, your post is schedule, manage. Naka-schedule na siya 5 hours from now. Reminder guys pala, I think makakapag-schedule post ka lang kapag naka-professional mode on ka. Pero kapag hindi, sa personal profile, hindi mo yata yun magagawa in my understanding. Pero sa Facebook page, you can schedule a post. So that's it guys. Sana may natutunan kayo. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. Follow for more simple social media tips.